In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable link in Instagram bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile, and now if you want to add a link right here to your bio, first off you need to tap at this edit profile button, and then you will be taken to that page where we can add some information to our bio by tapping right here. However, if we paste a link here, it is not going to be clickable. It will be added here to the bio as a regular text. To make your link clickable, you need to hit right here where it says add links, then tap at add external link. That's where we need to enter our URL and a title. Now I'm gonna head over to Safari web browser, and now I'm gonna copy some link. Let's say speedtest.net. You can copy any link you want. We can just select it, hit copy, and then I'm gonna go back here, paste this URL. Also we can add a title, speed test, and then hit done. That's how we can easily add clickable link to our Instagram profile. And now if we go to our profile, that's where we can find our URL, and if we tap on it, we'll be moved to the website. It definitely means that our link is clickable. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.